Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A70 and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down and go to General Management. Here you should pick date and time, and now you can either have an automatic date and time or you can switch it off and select the date, time and also time zone manually by yourself. Then you can also change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock or you can switch it off and now you have 12-hour format clock. And that would be all. This is how you can set up date and time in your device. Whenever you want to go back to default settings to automatic ones, simply tap on those switchers and that's it. Now we are back in automatic setup. So this is it. This is how you can change date and time in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.